Hello everyone. Today's topic is statistics. In this video we are going to learn how to solve the problems of statistics. So let's start the video. Statistics is a branch of mathematics in which we collect, analyze, interpret or present data. Applications of statistics. Number 1. The government uses statistics to make decisions about population, health, education, etc. Number 2. It may conduct research on education to check the progress of students, and statistics is also used in many more fields. Measure of central tendency. A special number of any data which represents the whole data usually occupies nearly a central position, so that special number is called measure of central tendency of data. There are three measures of central tendency. Number 1 mean, number 2 median, and number 3 is mode. This video is about mean. That means we will learn how to find the mean. Mean is the mathematical average. There are three methods to find mean. Number 1 direct method. Number 2 assumed mean method or short method or deviation method. Number 3 step deviation method. So we will find mean by direct method. In the next video I'll teach you how to find mean by assumed mean method and step deviation method. Mean by direct method. There is a formula to find mean by direct method. Mean x bar is equals to summation of xi fi by summation of fi. This is called x bar, and this symbol is sigma or summation. My first question: I have written ages of my 40 friends in the table given below. Age in years: 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Number of friends: 4, 7, 10, 10, 5, 4. Let us find average age of my friends by direct method. So out of 40 friends, 4 friends are of age 15 years, 7 friends are of 16 years of age, 10 friends are of 17 years of age, 10 friends are of 18 years of age, 5 friends are of 19 years of age, and 4 friends are of 20 years of age. So let's find the average age of my friend. Solution: we have to make a table. Age denoted by xi, variables, number of friends, frequency by fi, and in this table we have to find the product of xi fi. Age of my friends are given 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, 18 years, 19 years and 20 years. Frequencies are also given 4, 7, 10, 10, 5, 4. Here we have to find the product of xi and fi. So we have to multiply 15 and 4. 15 multiplied by 4 is equals to 60. 16 multiplied by 7 is equals to 112. 17 multiplied by 10, 170. 18 multiplied by 10, 180. 19 multiplied by 5, 95. 20 multiplied by 4, 80. Taking total summation of fi, we have to add 4, 7, 10, 10, 5, 4, which is equals to 40. Summation of xi fi is equals to, adding these numbers we get 697. Therefore mean is equals to summation of xi fi by summation of fi. Summation of xi fi is 697 divided by summation of fi is 40. 697 divided by 40 is equals to 17.42. So this is the average age of my friends. So in this way we can solve the problems. Let's move to the next problem. Question number 2. Let us find the mean of the following data by direct method. Class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequencies are given 10, 16, 20, 30, 13, 11. Let's solve this problem. Class interval, frequency, class mark, xi fi. Class intervals are given 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequencies are also given 10, 16, 20, 30, 13, 11. Now in this table we have to find the class mark. In order to find the class mark, we have to add 10 and 20 and divide the product by 2. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is equals to 15. 20 plus 30 is equals to 50 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40, 70. 70 divided by 2, 35. 40 plus 50, 90 divided by 2, 45. 50 plus 60, 110 divided by 2, 55. 60 plus 70, 130 divided by 2, 65. So you see that 15 is the mid value of 20 and 10. So mid value of 20 to 30 is 25. 30 to 40 is 35, and so on. So these are the mid values of these numbers. Now in this table we have to find the product. 10 multiplied by 15 is equals to 150. 16 multiplied by 25, 400. 20 multiplied by 35, 700. 30 multiplied by 45, 1350. 13 multiplied by 55, 715. 11 multiplied by 65, 715. Taking total, adding these numbers, 10 plus 16 plus 20 plus 30 plus 13 plus 11 is equals to 100. So summation of Fi is equals to 100. Adding these numbers, 150, 400, 700, 1350, 715, 715 is equals to 4030. Mean is equals to summation of XiFi by summation of Fi. Summation of XiFi is 4030 divided by summation of Fi is 100. Dividing 4030 by 100 is equals to 40.30. So this is the average of the data. So in this way we can solve the problems of statistics. So this much for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching.